In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an email marketing flow in Klaviyo. We'll go from a blank dashboard to a ready-to-run automation, keeping everything clear and simple so you can replicate it with confidence. Start on the Klaviyo home dashboard. From here, head to the Flows section. This is where all your automations live. Click Create Flow to start a new one. You'll notice two main paths. You can search for a pre-built flow template, or you can build your own from scratch. If you're new to Klaviyo, browsing templates is a great way to learn best practices quickly, while building your own gives you maximum control. Use the Browse by Goal view to see recommendations aligned to outcomes. If you want the full library, choose View All Flows. You'll see categories like Nurture subscribers for welcome and onboarding journeys, Remind customers to purchase for abandoned cart or browse flows, and other for specialized automations. Pick the type that fits your current objective. Selecting a relevant template ensures the structure, timing, and messaging blocks are already aligned with your goal. After you select the flow, give it a clear descriptive name so teammates can find it later. Add tags to organize by lifecycle stage, campaign theme, or seasonality. Good naming and tagging save time as your automation library grows. Next, set your trigger. The trigger is what starts the flow, things like joining a list, submitting a form, or performing a shopping behavior. Choose the trigger that matches your intent and confirm any available settings, such as limiting to certain segments or excluding recent purchasers. This is where you control who qualifies and when. Use the template you selected to launch the builder. Now you're in editing mode. Adjust emails, delays, and logic to reflect your brand and goals. Update copy, subject lines, and sender details. Swap in your images and ensure links point to the correct pages. Keep timing reasonable. Shorter delays for reminders, slightly longer for onboarding education, and speak to the customer's context. Add actions as needed. Common actions include sending an email, inserting a time delay, splitting based on conditions or properties, and moving profiles to or from lists or segments. Small refinements here, like branching for first-time versus repeat customers, can meaningfully improve relevance and conversions. When everything looks good, click Review and turn on. Klaviyo will prompt you to confirm settings and identify any missing details. Once you enable the flow, it will start running automatically for qualifying profiles. That's it. Your email marketing flow is live and working for you.